Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to calculate percentage of total in Excel. So let's get started. It's a really simple step. You just need to go to the cell you want your percentage to be displayed, type equals to, and then click on the number or the cell you want the percentage to be displayed of, then backward slash, then you need to type this. So this is the position of the total over here. It's relative to the first one here. So when I press enter, it will show something like this. So make sure you have your table formatted in percentage and you will get the percentage. So I will just drag it and it will show me the percentage of every data of this column. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe.